Identify and compare asymptotes of the exponential function f of x equals negative 25 hundredths to the x minus 3 and 5 tenths, and the rational function g of x equals negative 25 hundredths divided by x minus 3 and 5 tenths. All right, so first of all, looking at the asymptotes of f of x, this is an exponential function, and so we can know the horizontal asymptote by looking at our d value, which in this case is the number behind the base and exponent. And so our d value here is negative 3 and 5 tenths. And so that will tell us basically that it's going to be, it's always a horizontal asymptote with our exponential functions. And it tells us that basically our graph can never touch y equals negative 3 and 5 tenths. And that stems from the fact that basically negative 25 hundredths to the x can never equal 0 in some way. And so that's why y can never equal negative 3 and 5 tenths. And then in our other function, g of x, then we see the d value is also negative 3.5. And so that will still remain true here because with a fraction, whatever this fraction is, we can't have 0 in the bottom of it. And so whatever the fraction is, that's never going to equal 0. And so we can never have g of x equal negative 3.5. And so again, d equals negative 3.5. And then again, the horizontal asymptote will be negative 3.5. And then for this one also has another asymptote, and that comes from the fact that in a denominator, that cannot equal 0 because we can never divide by 0. And so, x cannot equal 0. And that makes it so that we have a horizontal asymptote at x equals 0, since it can never actually equal 0. And so there's our two asymptotes for the rational function, and then here's our one for the exponential. So notice that they both have the same horizontal, but a rational function will also have a vertical. So our final answer is the horizontal asymptote of the exponential function f of x equals negative 25 hundredths to the x minus 3 and 5 tenths is y equals negative 3 and 5 tenths. The horizontal asymptote of the rational function g of x equals negative 25 hundredths divided by x minus 3 and 5 tenths is also y equals negative 3 and 5 tenths.